In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize your HubSpot dashboards. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to manage their business data effectively and gain powerful insights. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools you need. Once you're there, look for the login button that's typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to a screen where you can enter your login credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, make sure you've set up your account beforehand. After logging in, you'll be directed straight to the HubSpot home. This is your central hub where you can access all the different features HubSpot offers. From here, locate the reporting option in the menu. Reporting is where all your dashboard activities will take place. Once inside the reporting section, click on the dashboards option. This will guide you to the area where you can view existing dashboards or create new ones. Creating a dashboard is great for visualizing your data in a way that's most meaningful for you and your team. To start a new project, click on Create Dashboard. This will initiate the process of customizing your new dashboard according to your business needs. After this, you'll need to select New Dashboard. This step allows you to specify details and preferences for the dashboard you're about to build. Adding details is a crucial part of setting up your dashboard. Here, you'll input information like the dashboard name and its description. Think about the users who will access this dashboard and tailor it to be as informative as possible for them. Once you've added all necessary details, proceed by clicking on Create Dashboard. Congratulations, you've just made your first customized dashboard. Now let's focus on keeping your dashboard organized. Locate the New button within your dashboard interface to begin managing your displays better. With different data requirements, you may have several dashboards over time. To keep things tidy, click on Manage Dashboards. This function allows you to edit, sort, and efficiently organize your dashboard so accessing them later is a breeze. And that's it. Setting up and customizing HubSpot dashboards is straightforward once you understand the flow of their user-friendly interface. With practice, you can create comprehensive dashboards that provide the insights you need to drive successful business decisions. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy dashboarding.